Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make noodles for chicken noodle soup. Start by picking the noodle type and thickness, then prepare boiling liquid, salt it lightly, and plan timing. Use fresh noodles for quick cook times and tender texture, or dried for easy storage and clear broth. Keep extra broth on hand to adjust consistency and stir gently to prevent sticking while maintaining noodle shape and chew. Boil noodles in well-salted water or directly in simmering broth depending on your plan. If making soup for later, cook noodles separately to prevent sogginess and preserve texture. For immediate service, add noodles to hot broth and cook until al dente, tasting as you go. Stir gently and test frequently, then combine with shredded chicken and vegetables just before serving to keep noodles tender and broth flavorful. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes hands-free timers, step reminders, and kitchen playlists effortless, so you can stir without stopping. It's a small tool that keeps your focus on the soup and not the clock. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Master timing so noodles stay firm yet tender and do not turn mushy in the broth. Start checking a minute or two before package directions for al dente results, and remember fresh noodles cook much faster. If you expect the soup to sit, slightly undercook the noodles and finish in hot broth when serving. This method keeps the texture pleasing while allowing the noodles to soak up flavor without collapsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.